I'm Tilly, I'm 15 and I'm a young leader with Make Some Noise. My parents bought me my first guitar as a birthday present 3 years ago. I first heard about Make Some Noise when I found a leaflet in the village shop which said Make Some Noise were running soundcheck products on Thursdays, and I thought I'd go because I've been playing bass at home for about 3 years but I'd never done anything about playing in front of other people, so I thought it would be a good new experience. Before I went to the first sound check, I didn't know what to expect, but there was loads of support from the music leaders who encouraged me to learn to play with other people. Being involved with Make Some Noise gave me more confidence to meet new people and confidence in my ability to play in front of people. I'm involved with the Young Leaders project because I wanted to inspire other people to join sound check as well and give them the confidence that I got.